My interest revolves around the concept and idea of change, which I try to show through process and my choice of medium that I presented in form of installation, site-specific, site-responding drawings, photography, and some videos. Since the time I was in my graduation until today, process has always been bound up in time. The time duration from beginning a piece of work till the end, it was really holds the importance in my work. My interest has to do with the life of any living or inanimate object, the temporal quality of earthly existence, and the inevitability of change, the effect of time, decomposition, various marks. These are prime sources of fascination in my work. So, through my work, I want to showcase the importance of taking notice unobserved space and expose the hidden marks. The same way I took a closer look through dermoscope into my scalp, body marks, and closer look of my skin. So this microscopic view of all my body marks were nothing less than an engaging paradise world for me, which is just impossible to experience or see with our naked eyes. I felt as though a secret life had been revealed to me, and the spectator also peering closely in all manner of attitudes, in straining to follow the route that I have created in my every work. During the Dharti Art Residency, supported by Serendipity Art Foundation, I was able to push against and beyond my tendencies in regards to medium and concept. During that time, I have explored with the hidden space that exists in the studio. I have used some medical imaging technique. Medical imaging is a technique and process of creating visual representation of interior of a body for clinical analysis and medical interventions, as well as a visual representation of the function of some organs or tissues. Even in my recent works, medical imageries has been the source in the process of image making. This kind of scans are used in my works to see the micro view of my skin. I use LED dermoscope, ENT examination, ear testing, nose as a otoscopy, and it also includes audiometric testing, nose testing, which is called nasal endoscopy. So in that they pass a small telescope into the my nostril to obtain a magnified view. Then throat testing and TVS scan called transvaginal ultrasound scan. These medical imageries to aid me in my process to reach the conceptual understanding of body. In my view, the interiority of architectural spaces, its visible surface, the unobservable depths and details have character of passivity within them, which makes my perception towards it in a relation to the active human body. This personification is a way that lets me give a lifelike representation to the architectural spaces. In particular work, the juxtaposition of internal parts of architectural spaces and the orifices of human body had aroused from my inquiries regarding it. What would it be like if the floors had veins like us? Drainage system could breathe. The walls had eyes. My keen interests are the visible surfaces existing in a space but which mostly slips from human eyesight.